Gabby, what are you doing? Gabby, where's your spaghetti? Gabby. Gabs, where's your spaghetti? Gabby. Gabby, where is your spaghetti? Can you eat it, please? Where's your But where's your spaghetti? Why is it in your shirt? Can you take it out? Uh-oh. What's it doing in there? Can you eat it? Eat your meat.
Summer.
Gabby, eat your meat. Gabby, say bye-bye.